Look at this delicious pizza. It is hot and smells incredible, with a perfect thin base, soft inside and crunchy outside, loaded with mozzarella. I can't wait to try it. But before I can do that, I want to welcome you back into my kitchen. And I want to thank you for being part of our Sabrissimo community, which is growing fast and allowing me to be part of your cooking and baking adventure. In this video, I want to show you how to bake the most wanted pizza from them all, Pizza Margherita. The list with ingredients is attached in the description, so you can join me. Let's get started. For the dough, pour some water into a bowl and add the yeast. Mix gently with a whisk until the yeast is melted. Gradually add 500 grams of flour and 300 milliliters of warm water, and keep some water in case we need it at the end. Add 50 milliliters of olive oil and incorporate well. Add the rest of the flour and a tablespoon of salt. We continue kneading by hand until we incorporate all the flour. After kneading almost everything, we take the dough and continue on the table. We add a drop of oil to make the kneading easier. Put a little more of flour on the dough and mix again until it becomes a smooth dough. Now sprinkle flour on the bowl and put the dough aside. Cover it with foil and leave it to rise for about 1.5 hours in a warm place. After all the effort, let's take a short break and hit the like and subscribe button to stay up to date with my culinary adventures. Now let's continue with the sauce. Add oregano and pizza spice over 50 grams of tomato sauce. Add salt and mix very well. In the meantime, the dough is ready. Look how big and beautiful it grows. Sprinkle the surface with flour and remove the dough on the table. We roll it and cut it in 4 equal parts. We can make 4 pizzas from this dough. And, like I mentioned in the beginning, cut the quantities in half if you want to make 2 pizzas only. Now we take piece by piece and form balls, which we let grow for 15 minutes. After that, we can start preparing the pizza. Sprinkle flour on the table and gently spread the dough with our hand. Now take a rolling pin and roll it well until we form a thin base. We prepare the tray with the baking paper and place the dough there. Put the tray in the oven for 5 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. After 5 minutes, take it out and spread the tomato sauce. So good. Add the fresh mozzarella and basil leaves and put it again in the oven for 7 minutes at the same temperature. We do this in 2 baking batches in order to have a quality pizza, like a restaurant pizza crust. I do recommend using this technique for a perfect pizza. Our pizza is ready and smells incredibly good. So let's cut it. The top is thin and the cheese have melted. Absolutely amazing. If you are also interested to another assortment, drop a comment below with your wishes and I will share this recipe with you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. In this way, you will be the first to know when I post a new video. Thank you for joining me in the kitchen. Until next time, happy cooking!